Hello everyone, John here. So, there's a project I've been working on for the last few years, and there's been some setbacks, but finally I'm going to be moving forward on it. And that project was to 3D scan and 3D print all of the Aurora Prehistoric Scenes model kits. And I was on my way to doing that, and then my 3D printer and curing station got stolen out of my garage. So that set me back a little bit. So, still haven't gotten that yet. I anticipate that I will finally have that set up in January. I'm moving to a new place in January that has an attached garage that's going to be perfect for doing the 3D scans and prints. So, what I've got here, I'm going to take you off the tripod and show you what I've got going on over here. So this set of parts here is for the 3D scanner. This is an open scan 3D scanner that I'm going to be assembling here soon, and I'll be using that to 3D scan this guy. I'm going to go in production order, and the Neanderthal is the first one I'm going to do. We put you back here, and we'll talk a little more. So, my hope is that this works out. I'm able to 3D scan these and then 3D print them. That's my hope. That's the goal. That's the plan. I'm not there yet. Obviously, I've got to get the 3D scans done, but I recently found access to a 3D printer that I can at least do some prototypes on. So hopefully it'll all come together. Now, I don't want to jerk anybody around about what I've got going on. This is still very much in its baby steps, and hopefully it'll take off. I don't want to make any promises that it will, but I will share with you the progress as we go along. So hopefully it'll all come together. I really would like to do that because I love these Prehistoric Scenes kits. And recently I saw a T-Rex kit on eBay with all the parts in the original box. $2,070. Over $2,000. It just breaks my heart that people are having to shell out that kind of money for these kits. And I'd love to see these kits made available again. So that's what I'm working towards. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I'll get there. I'm not going to make any promises, but could happen. We'll see. Anyway, I'll keep everybody updated as things go along. Thanks for joining me, and hopefully more adventure to come.